Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. A simple recipe with canned tuna will be made. For this, 1 can of tuna, olive oil, and half a tea glass of milk. 1 spoon of cornmeal, a little lemon juice. 1 garlic, black pepper, sugar and salt. White bread and 3 peppers. Some parsley, tomato sauce, grated mozzarella cheese. Prepare 3 slices of bread. Cut and slice bread slices. If you have a small baking tray, place slices of bread on it. Or you can use a porcelain serving plate. Use a small pan, remove the garlic sprout. Crush garlic, sugar, salt, and pepper. Add olive oil, add cornmeal and mix. Add the garlic mix. Add cold milk. Add lemon juice. Add the sauce you prepared on the bread. Finely chop the green peppers. Add canned tuna. Add chopped green chillies. Add tomato sauce. Add grated mozzarella cheese. You can preheat the oven. It will be ready in 7 or 10 minutes. You can add a little more parsley and cheese. Dinner is ready. You can add pomegranate syrup on it before eating. In our other recipe, we will make a tuna fish sandwich. 1 can of tuna. Crusted white bread. tomato sauce. Cold oil, cold lemon, and cold egg to make mayonnaise. Green tomatoes and red tomatoes. Pickled cucumbers and garlic. Lettuce and purple cabbage leaves. Red chili and black pepper. Tangerine juice to make a drink with sandwiches. Crush the garlic. A different mayonnaise will be made using garlic and fish oil. Use a cold glass container for this. Add the egg yolk. Do not mix egg whites. Add some lemon juice and start mixing with mixer. Start adding oil dripping. Use sunflower oil. Make sure the ingredients are cold and add very slowly. Add fish oil, of course. Olive oil is added in these cans, not the fish's own oil. Add crushed garlic. A garlic mayonnaise with natural and wonderful consistency is made for spreading on bread. Finely chop the vegetables. Canned tuna like this doesn't look as great as advertised. I believe it's healthy. You can heat the bread with the toaster. Add tomato sauce. Add pickled cucumbers and other ingredients. Add some salt. Add canned tuna. Add the garlic mayonnaise you prepared. Add paprika and black pepper. Cover and slice the bread. I used a stale bread so that it would not be wasted. It would be better if you use a little more fresh bread. Tangerine juice. Homemade, easy, and delicious recipes that you can prepare in a short time were made. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, we have a dollar bank and crypto address. You can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.